In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a presentation using Adobe Express. Now you can do this completely for free using Adobe Express and its web software. So let me show you exactly what you need to do. So first head over to Adobe Express. You can get here by Googling Adobe Express and you need to create a free account. As you can see, I'm on the free version and I'm not going to upgrade to the premium version. I'm going to show you everything in this video which uses the free version. So to create a presentation, what I would do is create from a template. So to find the presentation templates, I would go ahead and go to the search bar, then type in presentation. And then what you can do is you can click on this one here, this suggestion. So you're looking for the presentation icon and it's going to be 1920 by 1080. And what will happen here is you'll then get all of these templates appear. Now I would filter for the free ones. And then this way, any of them that you like, you can use. And then go and choose a presentation. Now there are 1,500, so you might want to filter for them. Depends on what you're after here and if you're after something very specific. For this video though, we'll just choose this one and I'll show you some features that you might need to know when creating your presentation. So here is the presentation. If you hold down Control on the keyboard and then zoom in with the mouse wheel, you can kind of like zoom in and out. And this is good, depends like how small of a screen you're presenting on. It's good to check how your text and images look. So now let's customize it. Now everything you see on screen should be customizable. So here we've got the background image, we've got text, we've got more text, and we've got a logo here. Now I'm actually going to remove the logo because I don't really want the logo. So we're going to make sure that we're only clicking on the logo. Then we can click on the trash can icon or delete on the keyboard and it will remove it. And again for this shape. Now we can change the text. So I'm going to change this to how to make a presentation. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the presentation word and then we'll change that to black, I think. And now you can change the color, you can change the font all in this window which will appear. And you can also add effects and animation. So maybe you want your text here to wiggle a little bit. If you wanted to change the background image, you could go to media and you could find any relevant media. So I'm just going to type in YouTube. Let's say we want to add a YouTube background. We can then add, let's just add for the video's sake, this one, and we can just kind of drag it on. Now, sometimes it is a bit clunky. Let's click on it instead, and we will resize this to the whole presentation. Now, obviously, this is now on top of everything. So we can right click and we want to send this backwards. Look, you don't want to send it all the way to the back because then it's going to go behind the image that was already there. Okay, so this is what we're going with. Yet again, my design skills are terrible, but you can go ahead and customize this. I'm going to change this all back to white. So here we've got how to make a presentation and we're going to delete this here. What I am going to do though is I am going to highlight all of this and we'll go to effects and we'll just add a background to make this easier to see. There we go. And we can change the color of this background by clicking on the filter icon. And now we can change the shape fill to black. And to be honest with you, it is a bit clunky, Adobe Express. It isn't quite as good as Canva, but you can get a good result from this. So now you've got your next slides here. And obviously you can add in your own images. You can go to your stuff and you can upload your own images that you might need here. You've also got charts and grids, which are good for showing data, and obviously you can add text as well. There aren't too many features inside this though, it is fairly simple. If you wanted to duplicate, you can right click on the slide, and you can either insert a new page, you can delete a page, or you can add transitions. But apart from that, once you've configured your presentation, you can then go and either present it by clicking on present from first page, and that will obviously open up your presentation and you can then flick through it by clicking all of the arrow keys, or you can share it with someone. So if you go share, you can then either download this by clicking on save to cloud and you can go ahead and download this to your cloud, or you can get a view only link which will allow people to view the presentation. So there are many different things that you can do, but I hope this quick presentation tutorial did help you out.